In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rode Wireless Go to MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and connect any model of the Rode Wireless Go microphones into a MacBook Pro. They will be detected as an input device, aka microphone, and you can use them natively. So there are two main connections types that you can establish with the Rode Wireless. Either USB, which is what I'm going to focus on in this video, or you can use the 3.5mm cable. However, for this cable, you might need some sort of adapter, so keep that in mind. I'm going to be focusing on USB because I believe it is by far the most straightforward approach. All that you have to do is plug one end of the supplied cable that you have with your Wireless Go generation 1, 2, or 3 into the Rode receiver, and then the other end goes into your MacBook. There's no secret to this. So check for a USB-C connection usually, and make sure that one end goes into the MacBook and another one into the Rode receiver. Depending on the connection that you have, you might have to use adapters or a different cable from Rode. So now make sure that you pair it up with one or two of the transmitters, and once they are paired up by pressing and holding the buttons available on each, you will be good to go. So make sure that the receiver is paired up with the transmitter. This should be done automatically as soon as you power the receiver on, but if it doesn't happen, then press the buttons manually. Now if you go over to the sound settings input, you will find your Wireless Go microphones here. So you can choose to use them and record any sort of audio through your MacBook Pro. You can open any application that has mic input options like Discord, OBS, Google Meet, Zoom, and they will appear under the list as long as you establish a connection like so. If you don't want to use the USB cable or it doesn't work, then like I said, you will have to plug it using the 3.5mm cable through the same manner. So one end into the Rode and another one into the MacBook. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rode Wireless Go to MacBook Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.